The site is located in Queenstown, and it is in the subdivision of Jacks Point. The brief for this project was a little bit different because we were designing a home for ourselves and I was the architect. We wanted to create a healthy home environment, a place that was easy to live. And I've made sure that you have a great view from anywhere on the property. So you could stand in one bedroom and you can look all the way through to the views on your east. And no matter where you are on the property, you get amazing views, either through the house or from within the house. We've designed the building in a U shape to create protected areas from the southerly winds. We have used big glass sliders to shelter from the wind. And on the street side, we have used a screen mesh to give us privacy. Upon arrival, you walk to the courtyard, and as you approach the front door, you have views through the house to the grand views beyond. The kitchen and dining is separated from the lounge areas by a split level. We have used natural tones of timber, we've used concrete, some black steel to sort of contrast, and most of the ceilings are timber, which makes the home feel nice and calming. Some of the sustainable choices we have made is using low-E glazing, thermally broken. The house is airtight. We have used a bionic fire. We've got solar panels. We've got heat pumps, air to water. And all of these things contribute to a more energy efficient home. I think the greatest success of this house is not just a piece of architecture. It is a warm, welcoming home that makes you feel connected to the nature around you.